Hey folks, so I purchased a couple more plants from the Green Escape, and let us take a look at them. Hey folks, so I purchased a couple more plants from the Green Escape, and let us take a look at them. Probably need to open it from this side. Yeah, it's taped on this side. So the first plant we have, Nuns hood, which is the orchid. It's a terrestrial type of orchid. And let us unbox this. Unwrap it and take a look at it. Wow, I like the way the leaves look. It is nice. So I'll have to figure out the best media to plant this in. Because being a terrestrial one, it grows in the ground and not on trees. So instead of sphagnum moss, I'll have to figure out an appropriate way to plant this. And let's see what else we have. Packing material. More packing material. Ah, yes, the plant that I was waiting for. Just to see, we have more packing material. And packing material. Oops. And packing material and the invoice. So, it was a Nuns hood orchid, which is Phaius tankervilleae starter plant. And the Cobra Lily, Darlingtonia, California. I've never had one of these before, and the reason being is they like the roots to be chilled and cool, and that's something that's atypical for a plant grower to have a setup for, but I figured out a simple way to do it, and I can't wait to plant this. So make sure you subscribe so you can see how I plant this when I upload a video. Let's see. And they gave me a card telling me how to take care of the plants, but it's a generic card, and these plants do require different types of care, so that's one thing about them. But I have been happy with the plants I've purchased from them in the past, and they do have I think over 300,000 reviews on Etsy. So anyway, they're good, reliable. I initially purchased what was supposed to be a tea plant instead of the orchid. So instead of this, I was going to buy a tea plant because you buy 2 plants and you don't pay shipping. But it was mislabeled, and I noticed from the picture it was a coffee plant. They actually contacted their greenhouse and verified that it was mislabeled and let me cancel the order and reorder. So they have good customer service, which is nice as well. So I've been happy with them. The only exception is that I think their generic card is not suitable for all plants. I almost forgot. Let's look at the Cobra Lily. I forgot to open this one. So this is probably what everybody has been waiting for. Whoops. Sealed so carefully because it is a fragile plant, but I hope I don't decimate the thing trying to open it. So let's see. Okay. There we go. I spoke too soon. Whoops. Okay. Here we go. Now when you get plants that are shipped with this stuff, if you have fish, you can actually use this as filter media, so you really don't need to just throw this away. I wish they used something that was more eco-friendly, but some people use those. Plus, it takes forever to pull all the fibers out of there. But here we go. My first ever Cobra Lily. Oh, look, the pot is crushed and it's a little dry. I'll have to water it. But ain't this beautiful? Look at the little cobra-like pictures. I can't wait to have this growing in a suitable environment with nice chilled roots. Well, now I can say I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.